Good day, my name is Dela Yimibo and I'm your export doctor. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video, I'll be talking about still on contract, and I've been discussing about the payment method of a contract. Now, we've talked about open account, how you should insert the clause, what it entails. We talk about advance payment. Today, I'm looking at bill for collection as a payment method. When you are inserting it in the contract, it's very important you listen to this. Number one, remember, bill for collection is like open account. Good is shipped, document sent to the exporter's bank, from exporter's bank to the importer's bank, from the importer's bank, document released to the importer, either for payment immediately or the payment later date in which the importer signs a bill of exchange. If you are doing bill for collection, it's important you state on the contract how the address of the bank that exporter's bank is to send document to. It's important you state the bank and the address of the bank. And it's also important you agree in the contract what kind of bill for collection. Is it bill for collection site or is it bill for collection tenor? If it is signed, payment will be made immediately before document is released. Bank will debit the account of the importer. If it is tenor, payment will be made at a later date, 30, 60, 180 days. But the importer will sign a bill of exchange. But please note that if you are doing bill for collection, you should have a case of need, a rep of the importer in the exporter's country to ensure that if for any reason the importer failed to pay, document can be retrieved and good transferred to someone else or good shipped to another country or even repatriated back to the exporter's country. Now, when you are stating this on the contract, you need to state that it is bill for collection or documented collection, it is site or tenor, state the bank with which document is to be sent to, state the document that is expected to be sent, state if it is bill for collection tenor, state the tenor. Is it 30 days after shipment, 30 days after bill of lading date, 60 days after document presentation, 60 days after bill of lading date? State the tenor. The tenor will involve the timeline from a particular date known to everybody. Timeline from a particular date known to everybody. Now, as an importer, if you are, as an exporter rather, if you are concerned about the risk of this bill for collection, you can also ask for you can do an credit insurance in your country or ask for a guarantee at the back as a backup. A demand guarantee or standby letter of credit as a backup. A standby letter of credit is a letter of credit standing by, waiting for the day of default. You can also state that. Every other condition that needs to be met, because when the exporter sends document to the bank that will collect the payment, is going to also state the terms and conditions that the importer's bank must adhere to when delivering the document. When delivering the document, because it must state those conditions. It is important that importer and exporter have agreed those terms and conditions in their contract. So that means the bill collection also state if it is tenored, when document will be released, if it is signed, the number of days, and if there is a case of need, all those information should be stated on the contract. Remember, bill for collection. In bill for collection, the importer's bank is not giving undertaking to pay. The importer bank is just a channel for transmission of document and collection of payment. It's just a channel for the transmission of document and collection of payment. And because it is a channel for the transmission of document and collection of payment, that means the role of the exporter is limited. So the importer's bank is limited. Therefore, everything that needs to be done to protect you as far as the transaction is concerned is going to be put on the instruction the exporter is giving to the exporter's bank, which the exporter's bank is going to send to the importer's bank in a document called the collection order. The collection order. The collection order. All those details will be in your letter to the bank when you are sending shipping documents to your bank as an exporter. So the exporter's bank can put those things in the instruction is going to send to the importer's bank to guide how payments are going to be collected. As this particular discussion on what should be the content of your section on bill for collection in your contract being of help to you, give it a thumbs up. If you like the video and you feel you have friends that will need to hear about it, share with your friends. If you have questions on bill for collection, drop it in the comment section. And if you want to join our community, subscribe to the video, to the YouTube channel. And remember to click on the notification bell so you know when we post the next video. My name remains Dila Imbo, and I'm your expert doctor, and I'm signing out.